and welcome back to my channel. I am Ronice.Chantal and welcome. Today I'm sharing a fun, easy project to get into the holiday spirit. Sublimating beautiful Christmas images onto kitchen towels. Whether you're making gifts, stocking your shop, or decorating your home, this is the perfect project to do. Alright, so let's dive in on what materials you'll need to start this project. It's super easy, super fun, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, let's go check it out. Here's what you need for this project. You'll need blank polyester kitchen towels with at least 65% polyester for the best results. So I have two style towels right here. I have like a smooth surface one. Got this from Hobby Lobby. And then I have a waffle style towel, also from Hobby Lobby. Next, you will need a sublimation printer. I'm using the Epson Eco Tank converted printer. Next, you'll need sublimation paper, heat resistance tape, a heat press machine, which I'm using the Cricut Easy Press, a lint roller, parchment paper or Teflon sheet. I'm using parchment paper, and your chosen Christmas designs. Make sure they're high resolution and very vibrant. All right, let's go onto the computer and download our designs. Today I'll show you how to download designs for Sublimated on kitchen towels. I'm using Creative Fabrica, a fantastic platform filled with fonts, graphics, and more. Creative Fabrica offers a subscription plan that gives you unlimited downloads, perfect for creative entrepreneurs like us. So let's dive in. Once you're logged into your Creative Fabrica account, start by searching for the design. In this case, we're going to search for kitchen towel sublimation. After finding your design, click on it to open the download page. Next, hit the download button. Your design will start downloading immediately and will save as a zip file. Once the download is complete, go to your downloads folder on your computer and locate the zip file. Now extract the contents of the zip file by right-clicking on it and selecting Extract All. I'm on a MacBook, so I just have to double-click. And then you'll choose your folder where you like to save the files, then click Extract. Once unzipped, you'll see the design files and ready to use. After that, we're going to upload it through Canva. That is where I print all my sublimation designs, and then we'll be ready to print. And that's it for this part. In the next section, I'll show you how to prepare the design for sublimation and apply it to your kitchen towels. Alright you guys, so we have our first image, the May Your Days Be Merry and Bright. Sorry, I was reading it backwards, but to you guys it looks fine. So what we're going to do is tear along the edges so it doesn't print on with a hard edge. So I'm going to carefully do that. Just rip it. It'll be better than cutting it so it's not showing that hard printing edge. Do that as best as you can. And get as close to the image as you can. Ooh, almost got it there. I got a little too close. I'm gonna do the bottom one. just like that. And we're gonna grab the other image I got and do the same thing. Now the top is, the image is like right there, so I won't touch that part too much, and the bottom, so that should be fine. All right, so we are going to heat our Cricut press or your heat press. I would say your regular heat press, do it at 400 degrees for 60 seconds, and for my Cricut, I'm gonna do 385 for 40 seconds. So we'll heat that up, and then we'll tape our images onto our towels. Actually, we can do that now, and then we'll heat it up while I'm here. So we'll grab our sublimation towels and go ahead and lint roll it. Get it all nice and clean. We're gonna put the gingerbread on the waffle style towel. So we're gonna tape this one upside down. It's perfect. Grab your heat transfer tape. Tape that baby down. Like that. Then we'll do the next one. Flip it upside down. Tape that on there. Now we're gonna move on to our heat press. I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so we have our Cricut Easy Press. I got the temperature at 385 and the time for 50 seconds. So we're gonna let this heat up and press our designs. All right, you guys, so we got our first image, the May Your Days Be Merry and Bright. We're gonna go ahead and put our parchment paper on top of the image, and we're gonna press it for 385 and 50. All right, you guys, now it's time for the reveal. My battery just died, so I had to change that real quick. So hopefully this didn't sit too long. So let's see how this looks. I'm gonna turn it your way so you can see. Okay, it's cute. I love it. That is so cute. So we're gonna move on to the next one. I didn't press that one yet. So we'll be right back. All right, you guys, we are back. I went ahead and bumped it up to 60 seconds because this one has a little bit more color. Oop, don't forget your parchment paper. Right on top. I'm gonna do the bottom half, 60 seconds. Now I'm gonna take a peek just to make sure there's no ghosting before I reveal it. Oh, that looks good to me. Let's see. Oh my gosh. All right, now it's time to reveal this. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Look at the colors. Super vibrant, super festive and colorful. All right, let's conclude this video. Alright y'all, that's it. So that was really fun. I really enjoyed making these towels for you guys. Sublimating Christmas designs on your kitchen towels can add a fun and creative touch to your decor or to any gifts you give to somebody. If you try this project out, be sure to follow me on Instagram right here. Let me know how you did. Show me your results from your sublimated towels and I would love to see it. As always, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because I am one of a kind. See y'all.